we played in Metamong. These are duplicates. I don't know what we're gonna do with these yet, but I'll show you the first. This one. This one's a magnet. Look at this. How do I show him nicely? Gonna show off. Let me show you what this is. Oh, you got the little Pikachu! It's a normal Pikachu. It's just a little sweaty. We have Pikachu! Okay, look. He looks like he's just like this, right? But it's a magnet. He doesn't come off. You pull him off. Oh shit! They're both crying. So put the magnet on. He just. Eating. Kind of like drunk on his berry. Look at him. So cute. I got these guys. What'd you get? Raichu. Raichu, I'm going to show you something. But first, Raichu.
Only have one sparkling left, which is good enough.
Stick. There's more. The whole line.